are going to take a quick look at a Sicotte 700 3-spindle boring machine. Currently, this machine does have 3 1-horsepower complete spindles. You have 1, 2, 3. There's 2 sub-assemblies that are missing the motors and motor mounts. You do have 2 hold downs. If you're looking at this machine, let's just do an overhead view real quick. You're probably purchasing this machine because you want to do some kind of unique boring pattern that most boring machines won't allow for. And basically what you can do is you can loosen your spindles up and you can move them to within almost anywhere on the table. There's some limitations, but that's about what you can do with this machine. If we look underneath the table, this is how you set the height of your table. Although this is a very thin table on here, so I would recommend putting a thicker table on it if you're gonna do thinner work. This is your depth of bore. Simply moving this up or down is gonna change your depth of bore. Max depth of bore is 2 5/8 inches. You do have an oil damper on here. It does have adjustable dive speed right here, really easy to adjust. So if we put it in single right now, we hit the foot pedal. I'm gonna cycle it right now at a little bit higher speed. Finally, we'll just open it up all the way. That's your max feed speed. Your 2 pistons here, rather your table, these are your guides. Your piston is located in the rear. It's a single center mounted piston on a swing arm. It basically rocks your table upward, and again, that oil damper makes for some really smooth boring. We're gonna put in continuous. If you hit your foot pedal once, it is gonna just continuously cycle. Your red button here is to end that continuous mode. You can also do table up. So you hit table up and you hit your foot pedal. Your table will raise. This is basically setup mode. There's 3 starters for 3 motors. 1, 2. And on your right side is 3. Gonna hit that foot pedal. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.